Thank you for the very nice introduction. So as Niklas briefly mentioned, we are going to tell you more about the short sea success in Oslo. So can everyone see my screen right now, or?
Yes.
Perfect. So YILPORT Oslo, we have worked for the short sea strategy for many years now, and it has been a very good success story for us. I'm going to start telling you a little bit about the terminal. We are the biggest terminal in Norway. About 1/3 of all containers that come into Norway come through our terminal, and 50% of the containers in the Oslo fjords goes through the YILPORT Oslo terminal as well. We have capacity around 300,000 TEUs today, but we will increase the space in a couple of months, so we will have more room for more cargo. We have vessel operations 364 days of the year, 24/7. And we have had this operational short sea focus for many years now. And we have vessel calls to main deep sea and short sea ports in Northern Europe. So what's important to succeed in short sea is that we have the frequency of the vessels, we have the flexibility, finding different solutions that work for the shipping lines, for the cargo owners, and also for us as a terminal operator. And you also need to have reliability. We have to know that the vessels arrive on time. So that's something we have worked closely with the Port of Oslo, cargo owners and shipping lines, and also trucking companies to figure out solutions that will work for some of our cargo owners to increase even more volume at the terminal, and also for the short sea segment. So short sea positive impact on cargo distribution in Oslo. We have the positive trends of the increase of intra-European cargo. We have transferred a lot of transports from road to sea. So volume-wise, we have been increasing since the startup, and 40% of our cargo is short sea. So the deep sea has been pretty much stable in Oslo, but it's the short sea segment we see that has had this increase. And part of the success is that we have started many years ago from working with port authorities on different projects to get more and more cargo from road to sea. So we work with shipping lines and cargo owners and also the trucking companies to find solutions. So one of our example is Bama. They were very skeptical in the beginning to start using more and more sea transport because a lot of the vessels are late and they need to have the cargo in time because it's time-sensitive cargo such as fruit and vegetables that needs to be at the warehouses early Monday morning. We figured out flexible solutions together with them, and they have transferred 3,000 yearly transfers from road to sea from 2017. And they have also told us that they will even move more cargo from road to sea if they get more frequency on the vessels. So here we have a potential to actually cooperate even better with the shipping lines and also the cargo owners to get them more frequency during the week, because a lot of the shipping lines are competing for the same cargo, and we have a lot of vessels in from Sunday afternoon until Tuesday afternoon, and everyone is competing for the same windows. But Bama has expressed many times that if they get more frequency during the week, they can move even more cargo from road to sea. So there's a big potential to get even more cargo by having more flexible solutions. So another positive impact on this short sea cargo is that we have reduced climate emissions, because sea transport, they need to be competitive on prices and also the quality. And it's reduced emissions in the terminal by having time efficient handling of the cargo, and also have the automation in the gate. So the average truck turnaround time at our terminals is around 15 minutes. So from the truck driver enters the gate, picks up the container and are out again, it's around 15 minutes. So that's pretty good numbers to present. So back to this green shift and these options to actually attract even more cargo from road to sea. We have this big environmental focus here in the whole world, of course, and also here in Oslo. So instead of using 400 trucks, you can use one vessel. And you can also reduce 10 kilometers queue on the roads to Oslo, which will also help reduce the emissions in the city. So it's a big potential to even increase the volume even more. So that's a short presentation of the short sea development in Oslo.